What's up guys? I hope you're doing good and enjoying our recipes, and if you love watching them, please do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. Today in this video we are going to see the recipe of Thandai, which keeps your body cool and is a healthy drink. So let's do it. For making Thandai, take 1/4 cup of watermelon seeds and soak them in warm water. Likewise, also take 1/4 cup of pistachios and soak them in warm water. Even cashews and almonds, soak them too. Now take 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, also known as khaskhas, and soak them in warm water. And 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, also known as saunf. Now soak all these ingredients in warm water for about 6 hours. You can also use room temperature water and soak them for about 8 hours or overnight. After 6 hours, peel the skin of the almonds and grind them with cashews, pistachios, watermelon seeds, poppy seeds and fennel seeds to make a fine paste. In another grinder, grind 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 cardamom pods and 8 to 10 peppercorns. Now boil 1.5 liter of full fat milk and add 1/4 teaspoon of saffron strands to it. Add the grounded powder with 3 tablespoons of grounded dry fruit paste. Mix well and make sure that there are no lumps left. Once the milk is lump free, add 2 tablespoons of dried rose petals to the milk. Add half cup of sugar and reduce the milk to 1 liter and keep mixing till the sugar is completely dissolved in the milk. You can adjust the sweetness of the milk by adding less or more sugar. Once the milk is reduced to 1 liter, let it cool till room temperature, and once it cools till room temperature, refrigerate for chilling in the refrigerator. Once the Thandai is completely chilled, serve it in a glass with some rose petals or dry fruits, and it is ready to serve. Now, to make instant Thandai syrup, in a saucepan take 1.5 cup of sugar with 1.5 cup of water and add pinch of saffron strands with half teaspoon of cardamom powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now boil them till the sugar is completely dissolved with the water. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add soaked dry fruit paste to the syrup. Also add 2 tablespoons of dried rose petals powder to it. You can also use rose water or rose essence. Mix everything well and cook the syrup for about 20 to 25 minutes. To check whether the syrup is ready or not, insert the backside of the spoon with the syrup and run a finger between them. If the syrup is divided into 2 parts without mixing with each other, that means the syrup is ready. Cool this Thandai syrup till room temperature. Once it cools down till room temperature, store it in an airtight glass bottle. You can store this syrup in the refrigerator for about 25 days. After 25 days, the syrup starts losing its flavors. Now, to make instant Thandai, in a glass take some ice cubes, 200 ml of milk with 2 tablespoons of Thandai syrup and mix well. Instant Thandai is ready in minutes if the Thandai syrup is ready. If you loved this recipe, do let me know in the comment section which one of 2 Thandais you liked. And share it with your friends and do subscribe. Thank you.